Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and create NestJS project on your Windows. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed on your device. So here you can see, I just go to the nodejs.org. So you need to install Node.js from here. So just click on download, and here you can see Windows installer. So you need to download this and then install Node.js. So once you have installed Node.js, if you now just go to the command prompt, just write over here cmd and click here command prompt. And if you just write over here node -v, press enter, it will show you the Node.js version. And also you have Node.js installed on your device, it means you are ready to install NestJS and create your NestJS project. So I'll assume that you have Node.js installed. So after installing Node.js, you can install NestJS. So for it, we're going to write over here cmd, and here you can see command prompt. We need to open it, and after that, in order to install NestJS globally, we need to type over here npm install -g @ nestjs/cli. So we need to type this in order to install NestJS globally. -g means globally. So right now we are going to press enter, and it will start installing NestJS globally on our system. So this will take a few seconds. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see it is done. So right now we can just close this. So after that, you can just go to any folder. So let's say I want to create a NestJS project over here. So for it, I'm going to say over here cmd again, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt to this location. After that, in order to create the NestJS project, we need to say over here nest new, then our project name. Let's say our project name will be my nest app. You can name it anything. So I'll just say this, then press enter, and it will start creating our project. And here we need to choose which one would you like to use. So we are going to choose npm. So choose npm, then press enter. So by default it will choose npm. So you just need to press enter, and there you can see installation in progress. So it will start creating our Nest app, and here you can see a folder is already created. So again, this will take a few seconds. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see our project creation is complete. So it is telling us to go to the project directory and run our project. And in order to run it, we need to write over here npm run start. So I'm just going to close this, and here you can see this is our NestJS project, and this is the project structure. So right now we'll go to the project directory or project location. Then we'll click at the top, right over here cmd, press enter, and we're going to say over here npm run start. So here you can see we are in the project directory, and after that we are running this command, then press enter, and it will start running our project. So right now, in order to see our project running, we need to go to the browser, and in the browser we need to say over here localhost clone 3000, press enter, and it will show you hello world. It means we are able to successfully create our NestJS project and run it in the browser. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.